This is a quick guide on how do you file a tax return. So a tax return is just the process of reporting your income to the government and seeing if you get a refund or owe them money. And the first step is to start by gathering your documents or the required documents, which could be the W-2 form if you have a job, or the 1099 forms if you worked freelance or side gigs or side hustles. And then you will need to choose where to file. The easiest option is to file online by going to the irs.gov website, and then you click on File and Individuals. Now you click on File your taxes for free online, and then click on Guided Tax Software. Explore the options here, and then click on Browse all trusted platforms. Now you want to pick a trusted partner that offers free federal return in all states if you're eligible. For example, TaxSlayer here. And then you will need to log into your account if you already have one, or you can register an account. If you don't, you can click on Get Started and then click on No to create a new account. And then it should guide you through the filing process by asking you questions, asking you to fill your personal details such as the name, filing status, and your social security number. And then you will need to enter your income from your forms, whether it's W-2 or 1099 or whatever form. And the system will automatically calculate your taxes for you. And then you can check your deductions. The software might ask you about deductions or credits that can reduce your taxes or increase your refund. And once you've entered all the details, you can review your information carefully and then submit your tax return online. And then if you owe the money, you'll be prompted to pay. Otherwise, if you're getting a refund, you should just wait for it to be processed and sent to you via bank deposit or check. And that's pretty much it for the filing process. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.